Welcome back to one more video related to Autocad. So in this video we are going to discuss one more problem. In the previous videos we have already discussed related to orthographic section, uh, orthographic projection with section and without section, and also some problems related to isometric drawings. In today's video we are going to look upon missing view with respect to orthographic projection. So missing view basically is wherein you have any two views of the orthographic views, and the third view you need to draw by reference to the given two views. Okay, so you can either have front view, top view, you need to draw the side view, or you may have front view, side view, you may need to draw the top view, or you may have top view, side view, and you may need to draw the front view. Okay, so multiple combinations are possible. In this question, which we are going to look upon is, here we are going to have a front view and top view, and we need to draw the side view. Okay, so we will just insert the question for our reference. So I'm inserting the question over here. Okay, so this is the question. So in this question, there is a front view is given, a top view is given, and we need to draw the right hand side view. So pretty much easy, whatever, because whatever two views are given, we need to draw it as it is. Okay, there is not much of thinking goes into the two views that are given. Okay, so looking at the two views, so we will start with the drawing. So before that, some basic settings for orthographic projection. So I'll go in the snap setting, OS, enter. I'll click on select all and click on OK, so that all midpoints, center line, everything it will take upon. Then I'll go for the continuous line. So I will select the layer CONT. I'll click on L, enter. I'll take the center and I'll draw the vertical origin, okay, or the vertical line. Then I will again take the center, L, enter. I will draw the horizontal line. Okay, see that your ortho command is on. I will extend the same line on the another side. Okay, now I will draw the, what we can say, reference line at a distance of 10. So O, enter, 10, enter. I will take offset from all the lines. Okay, these are my reference lines, so I need to draw my drawing with respect to this line. Now I'll select all the lines, okay, and I'll convert that into projection because that are my reference line. So I'll select all the lines and click on the layer. From layers I will select projection. Okay, now let's start. Now if we look into the front view, there are two center lines. One center line is with respect to the base, and the second center line is with respect to the top portion. Okay, so with the base portion center line, we need to measure the distance. So if you observe carefully, it is 56. The total length is 56 of that base. To divide 56 divided by 2 to 28, and the upper center line is at 100. That is very clear. So what I will do, I will use the offset command, O, enter. I'll click on 28. I'll enter 28 value and I'll offset the reference line, okay, by 28. So this is done. Now the second offset distance, again O, enter, 100, enter, and I'll again offset the reference lines by 100. Okay, so now I will convert these both lines into center lines. So I'll select both the lines. I'll click on the layer center. Just pull it little down because no need of such large lines. So just I have pulled that down little downwards. Okay, now we can start with the drawing. So what I will do, if you observe properly, the base portion is symmetric about the center line. So I will draw the half portion and I will mirror it. So I will take continuous layer, CONT, L, enter. Okay, the height over here is 15. So I will click on 15. Okay, then this is up to the center line. Then here the base, it is 12. So I will take the line command, 12. Okay, so L, enter, 12, enter, and then the height of that is 5. Okay, so I'll click on 5 distance and I'll complete this half part. Once I have done with this, I will mirror this part. So mi enter, click on all slides, select the all sides, and I'll mirror about the center line. So I'll select the first point and the end point of the center line, and I'll click on no because I don't want to erase the previous part. So this base is done. Now I will draw the upper cylindrical part. So for that I need to have the overall height. So looking at the figure question, the overall height in the front view is 63. Okay, so what I will do, I will offset the distance by 63. So O enter, 63 enter. Okay, now I have got the what we can say top what we can say extreme line. Now I will take continuous layer and see the outermost circle dimension is radius is 18. Okay, so I will take a distance of 18 and then the height is 25, and again I will complete the external rectangle. Okay, now I will use mirror command, mi enter, and I will mirror it about the center line. So mi enter, I'll mirror. Okay, I'll select those lines and I'll mirror it about the center line. Okay, now it's very simple. Looking at the question, I just need to join the edges. So I'll click on L, enter. Okay, I'll join the edge. Now here at top you can see there is a overall distance of 36. So 18 is already drawn. So I need to draw more 18 distance. So I'll click on L, enter 18, and then I will join these lines. Okay, so here I have drawn the major portion of the front view. Now what I will do, I will go back to top view. So in top view, if you can see, the overall distance is 75. So I will offset by 75. O enter, 75 enter. So I will offset the distance. Okay, and then the center line will come at half of 75. So 75 divided by 2 is 37.5. So again I will use offset command, O enter, 37.5 enter, and then I will take the offset distance from the reference line. Now I need to convert this line into center line. So I will select that line, I will click on the center line layer. So the line has been converted into center line. Okay, so here again if you observe clearly, the top view is symmetric. So before that I will draw the circles first. So C enter, the diameter is 22 enter, and then the another there is radius of 18. So again C enter, R enter, and 18 enter. Okay, so I have drawn these two circles. Now the remaining portion, if you observe clearly, it is symmetric about the center line. So what I will do is I will draw the half part and I will what we can say mirror it. That is what needs to be done. So okay, before that I will take this I will complete the what we can say front view over there. So I will complete it over here. Okay, yes, this hidden portion was remaining in the front view. So I will complete this part. I've just taken the projection and I have completed the front view. Okay, now what I will do is I will draw the half portion over here and then I will mirror it. So before that I will take certain projections from the front view. So I will take the projection layer, I will take the projections of this base. Okay, whatever edges are there, I need to take the projection. So I will select projection layer, I'll enter, and I will take the projections up to the reference line. Okay, this projection I think so we shall take it afterwards. Yeah, okay, so no need to take it now. Now what we will do is we'll take the continuous layer, L enter, we'll draw the half portion as we can see in the given question. So from this point up to the extreme edge, then up to the next point, okay, and then up to center line. Yes, then there are two hidden lines, so I'll take hidden layer. I'll draw these two vertical lines. Yes. Okay, now I need to draw the circle. So for that I need to mark the center line of that circle. So I'll click on O, enter, and 45 is the distance between two circles. So 45 divided by 2, 22.5. So 22.5, O, enter, 22.5, enter, offset command. I will offset the center line. Okay. Then what I will do is I will take the circle continuous layer, C, enter, and the diameter is 12. So C, enter, D, enter, 12, enter. I need to select the center point. Okay, now I will draw the rib portion. The rib overall width is 12. Okay, so from center it will be 6. So L, enter, and I need to take a distance of 6. So 6 I will take. Okay, and I will join it, take it throughout, then I can trim it. Okay, so I have drawn the half portion of the rib. Now I will use the trim command. Okay, this extra line I will delete first. Now I will use tr, enter, enter, trim command. So I will trim this part. So as I can see in the drawing, the same I need to keep. So whatever is not required, I am trimming it out. Okay, and then there is one more line, so I need to take the projection from the front view. So I have taken the projection, and then I will draw that line also. I'll enter. Okay, and then the unwanted part with respect to the one which is intersecting with the circle, I will trim that. So tr, enter, enter. Okay, I'll trim the unwanted part. So better zoom in and trim it properly, the one which is not required. Okay, so I think so this is okay. I need to mirror now. So mi, enter, enter, and I will mirror by taking the all lines. Okay, I will need to select each and every line which I need to mirror, and then I need to select the center line. Okay, click on no, and then there is a small part which is need to be trimmed. So tr, enter, enter, I will trim that part. Okay, so here we have completed the top view. So as you can see in the question, I have exactly drawn the top view over there. Now the last part is I need to draw the missing view, that is the right hand side view. Okay, so how to draw it, let's check. So now before going to the side view, first I need to complete a minor part in the front view. So the circle is not projected. So first we'll project the circle of dia 12 into the front view, and then we'll go back to the side view. Okay, so I will take a projection layer. Okay, so we have taken the projection layer and we'll project the circle from top view into the front view. And since this is hidden in the given question, so we will be using hidden layer next. Okay, so we'll complete the figure. So here we have done with the front view and the top view. Now we will move on to the side view. So before that I will just clear on this question, because now there is no need of this question. We have already drawn the given question. Okay, so we'll just delete this. Now in order to draw the side view, I need to draw a 45-degree line. So before that I will just reduce the length of these center lines. So just by pulling it inside, I'll just reduce the length. Okay, now I will take projection layer. I'll enter. I need to off the ortho command because I need to draw a 45-degree line. So I'll off the ortho command. I'll click on tab and it is taking full angle. So 90 plus 45, so 135. So I'll just pull this little downwards, the line which I have drawn. So I'll select the line and I'll pull it downwards. Okay, now let's complete the reference rectangle in the side view under which we are going to draw the figure. So again we will turn on the ortho command and we will take the projection layer. Okay, so we'll turn on the ortho command. Now we will take the projection in the side view. Okay, so this is the rectangle within which we are going to draw the figure. Now we will project the center line in the side view, and if you observe from the top view that the side view is also going to be symmetric along the center lines. So we'll just project the center lines in the side view. Once this is done, what we will do is we will take some other projections from the front view. So I'll take projection layer. I'll take projections from the front view. Okay, so this is for the base. Then this is for the cylinder, top cylinder. Okay. Yeah, this is again for the base. So what here I will do, I will take continuous layer, I will draw half figure and then we will. Okay, so here this is the outermost cylinder is of radius 18. So I have taken 18 and I have completed the outermost cylinder. Since it is cylinder, it will be represented by a rectangle in front view as well as side view. Okay, now the base. So the base appears dark. So I will draw the base. I am just drawing the half figure because we will be taking mirror of the half figure. Once this is done, I'll take the projection layer for the circle. Yes, this smaller circle of dia 12. I'll take projection of both the edges. So inside you it will appear to me as a rectangle, but it will be hidden. So I'll take hidden line. I'll just complete extend the lines. Yes, this is for the edge 5 edge, and then I will just pull out these projections, and then my circle is actually above that edge. Okay, so I need to draw circle above that edge. Okay, so from front view and from top view I have taken the projection, and then I have finalized that where exactly my circle position will be. Then I will go for the rib portion. So for that I will just take the projection of the rib. Okay, now if you observe carefully, for the rib there are two parts. Okay, the line over here, this rib portion is clearly visible to me. So up to that it will be a dark line. So here I will take from this part up to this part, it will be a what we can say dark visible line for the rib portion. So hence for this much length I will draw a dark line of the rib. But there is one more rib portion at the behind part for which it will be hidden. Okay, so I will draw hidden line for the remaining rib portion. Now why this is hidden? Because okay, Then I will take this inner circle edge in the side view. Okay, let's draw the hidden line for that. Since it is between the first circle or the cylinder, that's the reason it is hidden. We'll draw the hidden line for that circle. Okay, we have almost drawn all the parts. Now we'll use mirror command. Okay, before that we'll just trim this part because two continuous line cannot intersect each other, so we have trimmed the unwanted part. Now we'll use mirror command, mi enter. I'll select all the edges, all the lines that we have drawn, continuous as well as hidden. So we will select those lines. Okay, see to that we select all the lines. Once selected, click on enter and select the center line about which I need to mirror it and click on no. Okay, so now there is a minor part that the base line where it overlaps the rib, there it will be hidden, so I need to draw that hidden part. So here I have completed the side view, so we can compare. This was the missing view, that is the side view. So for this cylinder, from side view, right hand side view, it is visible, hence we have drawn a dark cylinder in the side view. Okay, this is the dark cylinder that we have drawn in the side view for the cylinder which was present in the front view. So since it is visible, we have drawn it dark. Okay, we are just cross checking whether we have done all thing right. Then for the inside portion, it is again hidden because it is between the surface. Okay, then for rib portion, this is visible, so that is dark, and the top portion of the rib portion above this is not visible from the side, hence it is hidden. Okay, then the base portion, so this is the edge for the base portion, this is the height for the base portion that we have drawn. Now this edge is not visible from the side view, hence that is hidden. Then for the circle, again that circle is not visible from the side view, hence it is hidden. Okay, so here we complete the side view. Okay, and this is the base part, so it is visible, hence it is dark. So now the last part is giving the dimensions. So for that, D enter. Okay, before that I will just trim the unwanted lines which I have extended too much, so that my drawing looks clear and more, what we can say, clean. So I'll just trim the unwanted lines by using the command tr enter. Okay, it's not compulsion, but it's good to do this because since your final what we can say drawing will look more cleaner. Okay, instead of having more number of lines, it will be looking a good representation of your drawing. Once that is done, we will go for dimension. So D enter, I'll click on new, I'll give any name as per my requirement. I'll click on continue, so I'm giving the name missing view, question, continue. Under symbols and arrow, my arrow size should be 5. Under text, my text height should be 5 and text alignment should be ISO. Then under primary units, my it should be decimal and precision should be 0. Okay, and I'll click on OK. I'll click on set current and I'll close. Now from the dimension command in the top, I will take and mark the dimensions, whatever are the necessary dimensions, but for that I need to use continuous layer, so please keep that in mind. So here we will take the dimensions. Okay, whatever was given in the question, okay, at least that dimensions we need to mention. Okay, overall height, width, length, front view as well as top view. See that you don't repeat the dimensions. Then for okay, so this is 12, the rib portion. Then again this is uh, yeah, this is 36 given in the question. Then this height of the cylinder is 25. Yes, this depth is 5. This is 12. Then the cylinder diameter, okay. Either you can give diameter or you can give radius. So I'll give diameter for the inner circle and radius for the outer circle. You can also arrange the what we can say location of the dimension. Just need to click on it and then you can move it. Okay. So that can be done. So to see that it looks proper, the dimensioning, it should not come upon what we can see the question. So just cross check whether you have given all the dimensions and see that you don't repeat any dimension. So now there is yes, this dimension is remaining 15. Then instead of this 28, we will delete this. Actually the entire 56 distance was given in the question, so we will better mark that 56 and 32. So this is 32 and end to end is 56 for the base. Yes. Okay. Then this center to center distance between two circles is 45. So I think so we have covered all the dimensions. So now the last part is completing the nameplate. So you can double click on that and you can enter the name of the problem. So in this case it was orthographic projection missing view. So I will write down the short form. You can write your name under drawn by. Just double click as soon as it highlights and then you can enter your details, sheet number, date as per your requirement. Okay, now to convert it into PDF, Control P, DWG to PDF, ISO A3 420 into 297, then window, we need to select the extreme corners of the pages. So extreme bottom corner, extreme top corner, then center to plot, fit to paper, apply to layout, and OK. Select the destination where you want to save the PDF and then click on save. Enter the name and click on save. So this is the generated PDF which you can print and you can submit as your submission if required. So here you have come to the end of the problem. I hope you have understood. Please like, share and subscribe with your friends, those who are practicing AutoCAD. Thank you.